This is test. Unidentified flying object entered Earth. Headed Osaka, Japan. Alert. Disturbance in Osaka. If you can listen to this, you are in regional danger. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration and United Nations have issued a threat warning in Japan. Heed the important message. Japan's safety depends on it. If you live on the prefecture marked in orange, you are in potential danger, and if you live on the prefecture marked in red, you are in severe danger. If you visit Japan, heed the following safety instructions. Wear a hazmat suit. Close all doors and windows to your base. Avoid contact with intergalactic creatures. Carry food and drink if you are hungry, and stay tuned for Japanese television or radio. Construction site is building the Tokyo Wall, 36 feet tall with electric coils. Everyone in Japan has advised to evacuate to a safe place.